If you need to add email contacts to Mailchimp quickly, this tutorial will show you exactly how to copy and paste email contacts into your audience the easy way. This is a great method when you already have contacts stored in a spreadsheet, document, or list, and you want to import them into Mailchimp without manually adding each one. It saves time, keeps your workflow simple, and helps you get your audience set up fast. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, go to Mailchimp and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Audience section in the left-hand menu and click on it. Audience is where Mailchimp stores your contacts, so this is the right place to start when you want to add new email addresses. Next, inside Audience, go to your Contacts area and choose the option for Copy and Paste. This feature is designed specifically for quickly importing contacts by pasting them directly into Mailchimp instead of uploading a file. Now you'll reach the import screen. At this point, paste your contacts into the box provided. Make sure your email addresses are clean and properly formatted before pasting them in. If you have names or additional contact information, you can include that as well, depending on how your list is arranged. The more accurate your paste is, the smoother the import will be. After pasting your contacts, click Continue. Mailchimp will move you to the next step, where it checks the information you entered. Take a moment to review everything carefully so you know the contacts are being added correctly. Click Continue again when you're ready. This takes you to the next part of the import process, where Mailchimp may ask if you want to tag your contacts. Tags are optional, but they can be very useful if you want to organize people by source, interest, campaign, or any other category. If you want to tag your contacts, go ahead and enter the tag you need. If not, you can simply skip this part and keep moving forward. Once your tagging decision is done, click Continue again. After that, Mailchimp will bring you to the final review steps. Keep clicking Continue through the remaining prompts until you reach the final import page. This is usually where Mailchimp shows you one last opportunity to confirm everything before the contacts are officially added. When everything looks correct, click Finalize Import. This tells Mailchimp to begin the import process and prepare your pasted contacts for your audience list. The last step is to click Complete Import. Once you do that, Mailchimp will finish adding your email contacts to your audience. In just a few moments, your contacts will be ready to use for campaigns, newsletters, and automations. And that's it. You've now learned how to copy and paste email contacts on Mailchimp in a simple, fast, and beginner-friendly way. This method is perfect when you want to move contacts into Mailchimp without dealing with complicated uploads. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's learning Mailchimp too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.